Since our inception in 1993, Elcan Industries Incorporated has focused on finding catered solutions to any screening problems that companies may be experiencing. Our state-of-the-art toll processing and contract manufacturing facility features multiple segregated bays dedicated to advanced powder sieving, classifying, packaging, repackaging, mixing, blending, particle size analysis, and more. Advanced sieving of powders down to 10 micron on our high sifter and 1 micron on our elbow jet air classifier. Our toll processing services are perfect for companies looking to find a partner for all their manufacturing needs, from sieving and classifying to magnetic separation, blending, repackaging, and more. We have ribbon, conical, and screw blenders that are utilized to homogenize dry powders or create specific multiple component blends. Hammer milling services help companies reduce particle size from coarser materials and turn them into their desired spec. Our lab includes wet and dry laser diffraction systems, jet sieves, and multiple road tap systems for sieve analysis. Screen repairs are done in-house, and all spare parts are in stock and shipped from our facility in the USA with quick turnaround times. Elcan offers lines of advanced separation equipment for purchase, and we also provide testing and tolling services on each piece of equipment. If you are looking for high-quality, affordable screening and processing services for your next project, contact us today.